we're gonna do our skincare routine.
And we're gonna be showing some stuff what we are gonna use for our face, and then we're gonna talk also.
Yeah, so we're gonna put our mask to
Cover our baby hair so the cream doesn't get in our hair.
and we're gonna be right back. So we put our masks and we have to put our...
We're gonna wash our faces because you never know. Like,
This
never
is-
know.
This is clear water.
You never know when you have a dirty face.
Wash your face.
Time to brush your teeth, wash your face.
Okay, let's wash it. So refreshing. It's cold water.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Sherry lady. Okay, I did it.
Guys, as you know, soon is school. Are you ready for school?
Yeah, you have it. Never mind, you don't have it.
Because I'm ready for school, like all the stuff, but I don't want to go to school.
Like guys, look how dirty.
Dirty, dirty, dirty.
Okay, we're doing this, and we're gonna be right back, guys.
How about this scary face? Nah, nah.
It hurts because it's like stretching your face, like it gets
Who's
in
my face?
Yes. And it's like, look.
Do it here.
Look.
That's so funny.
We're gonna get the next thing, and we're gonna get the spray because we don't have that much skincare. Like I don't, but she does.
So first, I'm gonna use this face spray.
And I'm gonna choose a mirror and curl my lashes because I wash my face and my lashes like are so weird.
I'm gonna use this face cream. Not face cream, but the spray. Shake it up.
Oh. I have
Now I'm gonna
long
mix it up.
lashes.
The spray is kind of cold.
And I'm gonna put else. I did my lashes. How do you like these?
Hiya, neighbor. How do you like these?
And I'm gonna put my lipstick on.
So now my face is nice and fresh because of this spray. Now I'm gonna put this cream on my face. Let's open it.
Okay.
Oh, smells so good. Smell it. Oops.
Look at my lips.
Oh my God, Becky, look at her butt.
This is like so funny. One, 2, 3.
Girl.
1, 2, 3.
Like.
Simba.
Yeah.
Okay. She's gonna mix it. Okay, guys. Last but not least, guys, let's spray.
Refreshing.
Refreshing.
So I have these 2 lipstick. One is coconut and one is watermelon. I'm gonna use watermelon. It smells so good.
Hey, what smells so good?
Now let's lip this.
Oh yeah.
Sigma.
And this is the end of our skincare video.
And don't forget to smash. And this is the end of the video.
Our skincare video slay. So, what are you forgetting to do?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell button. But don't just click it, but
Smash it!
you have 3 seconds to smash the bell button.
3, 2, 1.
Did you smash it?
And if you didn't do it, tell it, Christina.
And if you didn't do it, I'll steal all your skincare.
So yeah. Bye, Sister Squirrel!